Exposed by Elon Musk, Cardano will be delisted permanently from all exchanges. Cardano's ADA token plummeted to its lowest price in more than 3 months on Wednesday, after popular retail trading platform eToro announced plans to delist the cryptocurrency in the United States due to regulatory concerns, making ADA the latest victim of the murky regulatory waters that have repeatedly pummeled the nascent crypto market. Today we're going to talk all about why Cardano might be delisted from all exchanges. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 16th of February, shall we? This week, Cardano price saw a fresh decline from well above the $1.20 zone against the US dollar. The ADA-USD pair broke the $1.15 and $1.12 support levels to move into a bearish zone. There was a close below the $1.10 level and the 55 simple moving average 4 hours. Finally, the price dipped below the $1.05 and traded as low as $1.018. It's now recovering losses and trading above $1.05. There was a test of the 23.6% fib retracement level of the recent drop from the $1.261 high to $1.018 low. ADA is now trading below $1.10 and the 55 simple moving average 4 hours. On the upside, the price is facing resistance near the $1.095 level. The next key resistance is near the $1.10 level. There is also a key bearish trend line forming with resistance near $1.095 on the 4-hour chart. The next major resistance sits near the $1.12 level, or the 50% fib retracement level of the recent drop from the $1.261 high to $1.018 low. A clear break above the $1.12 resistance could pump the price towards the $1.2 level. Any more gains could push the price towards the $1.25 level. On the downside, an immediate support is near the $1.05 level. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson told followers this week on Twitter that eToro's decision to a break below 95 cents could push the price towards the 88 cent level, where the bulls may perhaps take a stand. The chart indicates that ADA price is now trading below $1.10, and the 55 simple moving average 4 hours. For customers in the United States by December 26th, eToro first added ADA to its crypto offering in 2018. The exchange told Insider the rapidly shifting regulatory landscape was behind its decision to limit the ability of U.S. customers to open new positions in the two digital currencies. Many critics have argued that the regulatory landscape in the U.S. for crypto is not clear yet, but officials do believe that regulation is necessary and more policies are set to be put in place by 2022. Hoskinson, who founded Cardano in 2015, said that he still needed further clarification on the trading platform's decision to delist ADA for U.S. customers. There's currently nothing we've received, no regulatory event, no subpoena, nothing from any regulatory agency, no threats of lawsuits, none of these things. That's why we're so blindsided by it. Because the trend has been over the last 6 months a significant increase of liquidity on Cardano, Hoskinson said. On our side, we had no indication of this from eToro, and it's rather unfortunate that nothing was sent our way, he said. The decision knocked almost 4.8% off the value of the ADA token and sent it to 3-month lows, while TRX fell 5% to a 1-month low on Wednesday. But ADA has still been one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies of 2021. It's gained around 850% so far this year, which has made it the world's 6th largest digital token by market value, according to CoinMarketCap. It's fallen short of the 14,000% gain in rival Solana's Sol token this year, but has roundly beaten Bitcoin's 102% rally. It's a smaller competitor to the Ethereum network thanks to its capability of hosting smart contracts and other applications that are key to decentralized finance. Cardano's ADA has been listed by some of the biggest exchanges. It was listed on Coinbase on March 19th this year and on Binance in 2017, and Kraken listed it in 2018. Bitstamp decided to list ADA last Thursday. The altcoin is not listed on Gemini yet. We at least could have better understood the reasons, and we'll of course reach out on our side to better understand reasons, but it's primarily the Foundation's responsibility, Hoskinson said, referring to the Cardano Foundation, a non-profit organization in Switzerland that is the custodian of the Cardano brand. While eToro's decision came as a surprise, Hoskinson was ultimately sanguine. "It doesn't surprise me from the perspective of these things happening. Everybody has a different compliance desk. Everybody has a different regulatory tolerance. Everybody has a different customer base," he said. Hoskinson calmly stated, "There are no liquidity problems. You win some, you lose some," referring to Bitstamp's inclusion of ADA, but also the hard process ADA went through to get whitelisted in Japan, which had positive results in liquidity. He claimed they would look into the reasons for eToro's move since Cardano has no regulatory event, no subpoena, nothing from any regulatory agency, no threats of lawsuits. Also reminding that the last 6 months trend has been the remarkable increase in Cardano's amount of liquidity, and exchange after exchange are listing ADA. For Hoskinson, this event points at eToro's de-risking because of their own regulatory tolerance and customer base, rather than a direct problem coming from ADA. As Bitstamp listing ADA is more of a win than eToro's limitations are a loss, and Hoskinson sees a brighter panorama for crypto in the US bills to come, the ADA FUD might turn into growth. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.